Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So here is how you can unlock your Itel A673L if it is locked. So the first thing you have to do is to power off this device. Simply power off the device by using the power key. Press and hold it until it brings out this. So power it off and wait for it to completely turn off. So when it completely turns off, we are using the volume down key and the power key to unlock this device. So the first thing you have to do is to press the power key for 3 seconds. Then you continue or press the volume down key. So press the power key for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then press the volume down key. Release the two keys and then wait for the recovery menu in order to unlock this device. So here is the recovery menu. Use your volume down key to navigate to wipe cache partition. Press on the power key to select. Use your volume down key to go to yes. Then when you are done, use your volume down key again to locate or to go to wipe data stroke factory reset. Press on the power key to select wipe data stroke factory reset. Use your volume down key to go to factory data reset. Press the power key to kickstart the hard resetting process. Here is what you are getting on your screen. So give it a few seconds for the process to kickstart properly. Give it a few seconds for the process to be completed. So as you can see on your screen, data wipe completed. So the next thing you have to do is to navigate to reboot system now. So use your power key to select reboot system now. Wait for a few seconds for the process to complete, because when it completes, you see that it will wipe all your data. Disclaimer: this video was created only for educational purposes only. Please do not use it for any criminal activities. So you have to wait for some seconds for the phone to come up. When it comes up, you have to navigate through the process and you'll be able to set up your phone. Subscribe to this channel after watching. Do well to comment wherever you have issue. See you in our next video.